Good morning, students. But first of all, I welcome all the students of the plus one science. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture for the physics. Plus one physics is divided in 10 units. In all the units, we need to use some of the basic formulas, basic things that are included in the zero chapter. There is a zero chapter in a physics, in plus one physics. In fact, this zero chapter is for the mathematical tools which we will use in the further topics. So the chapter 0 is mathematical tools. I am going to teach you this mathematical tools. I would like to divide this mathematical 2 chapter in 6 parts. Number 1, binomials theorem. Number 2, trigonometry. 3, log. 4, graph. 5th, derivations. And a 6th, integration. Each and every term is new for you except trigonometry. Every term is new, right? So I will teach each thing slowly and slowly so that it may be clear in your minds properly. So first of all, the binomials theorem I am taking. See what is written here. 1 plus x to the power n is equal to 1 plus n into x. What is n? Here it is power. This power can be any integers, can be any rational numbers, anything it can. Integers, right? So this n will be right and this x will be right. Plus n again, n minus 1. For example, if it is 4, then 4 minus 1, 3. Right? Its power here is x. In fact, in the first term, the power is 0. That we are not writing. X ki 0 means 1. In this x ki power is 1. Here is x ki power 2. Here is x ki power 3. N into n minus 1 over 2 factorial. This word is factorial. What is the meaning of factorial? Like I am writing 2 factorial. This means 2 into 1. 2 is the answer. Like 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4, 3 is 12 and 12 2 is 24. So this way the factorial means sometimes this also can be represented this way. 2 factorial, 4 factorial. In mathematics you can use this symbol also for the factorial. So 2 factorial plus n into n minus 1, one term more, n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial and x ki power 3. Note it down that this binomial theorem can be used only when x is less than 1. Means this x is 1 by 2, 0.1, 0.2, less than 1. If this value is less than 1, okay, only then this can be used. First of all, I would like to tell to you why we are studying this binomial theorem, where it is useful. See, if it is given to you that 25 square root, you will say 5. 26 square root, then you will say, sir, 5 point something something will be. What is exactly? You can calculate by this theorem, right? Like if given that 100 square root is, then you will say 10. If I will say 9th root, then you will get confused. This theorem can calculate. Binomial theorem can calculate the 9th root also. Any root, 3rd root, 4th root, it can calculate easily, right? So try to understand this theorem will be applicable only when x will be less than 1. Let's read it again. 1 plus x ki power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial x की power 2 plus n into n minus 1 and minus 2 divided by 3 factorial x की power 3 plus so on. What is the meaning of so on? Meaning is जिस तरह बेटा तुहानू कहता किसी ने कि 26 का स्क्वायर रूट कड्डो, ठीक है, और तुसी कड्डिया 5.0999 है ना, तुहानू क्या 4th डेसिमल तक कड्डो, तो तुसी कितने डेसिमल तक तुहानू कड्डण नू कहा जा रहा है, जितने ज्यादा कहा जाएगा पूछा जाएगा उतनी ज्यादा अगे तुसी जाना है। नॉर्मली ये सिर्फ स्केयर तक असी करना होता है, इससे अगे की लोड़ पैंदी नहीं है, राइट बेटा, सिर्फ इत्थे तक असी करना होता है। आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल, इट इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज, ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज पे मैं क्वेश्चन ले आया, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 26, ओके, 26 का स्क्वायर रूट करना है। वी नो दैट इट इज 5 पॉइंट समथिंग समथिंग ही आएगा, किमें आएगा हुण देखो, सबसे पहले साडा टारगेट है इसनू 1 प्लस x की पावर n च कन्वर्ट करना, n तो हो गया बेटा 1/2 है, राइट। 1 प्लस x किमें बनाया देखो, 25 प्लस 1 इज 26, राइट बेटा। 25 तुसी इन दोनों तो बाहर ले लो, टेक इट आउट, 25 here will be 1 and here will be 1 divided by 25, right। 1 divided by 25 is 0.04, am I right, and a square root of all, clear। Now 1/2 square root take separately, 25 square root is 5 and this we will write separately. Now in this equation especially 1 plus x की n, this is the x and this is the n, x is now 0.01, it is very much less than 1, so the binomials can be used here, particularly in this equation beta, not on 5 will be outside, as this is less than 1, no binomials we are using। see 5 बाहर ले लिया outside, 1 from a theorem, 1 plus n is here 1/2 I have written, into x is 0.04 I have written here, plus 1/2 meaning is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x की power 2, right, up to 4 decimal। if I have to find out up to 4 decimal, then only I will do up to the square term, right। then 2 will cut this, 0 2, this will remain here, 1/2 2 LCM and this is minus 1/2, this is a square, 4 4s are 16 and 4 decimal places 1 2 3 4, right, this is 2 means if I will change it into multiply then it becomes 1/2 here, then minus 1/8, right beta, and 0.00 I can cut it 0 in place of 0 0 1 0 and 18 2s are, right, these two terms will be added 1.02 and this is minus here 0.0002, right, I will subtract them, I have done this here 1.0198 and then I will multiply with the 5, it becomes 5.0990, this way it is calculated for 4 decimal places, is it clear? So very fast I would like to take one more questions which is on your exercise. The first question is explain using binomials 1 plus 3x की 5 up to power x की power 3, up to power x की power 3. So I am using, this is in place of n, this is in place of x, okay, 1 plus n into x plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorials and x की power square, right, n minus 1 n minus 2 and 3 factorial and x की power 3, right beta, 1 plus 15x and this becomes 20 and 2 into 1 this becomes 10 now, है ना, 10 into 3 3 9 x square plus 5 into 4 into 3 3 into 2. This 3 factorial means 3 to 1, right? So this we will write. Then 9, 27 3 times. If I will multiply, then x to the power 3. 2 will cut the 2, 3 will cut this. And 1 plus 15x plus 19x squared plus 5 to the 10, that is 270x cube, and this is your answer. Thank you very much.